Hi, good evening once again. I'm so happy to see you all today, this evening. And I'm Ajanta from Bangalore, India, representing LA International School. This is the Break Free program. And this is,
Hi, I'm Ridu. You're on day 6 of the LA International School Break Free program. Happy to have you guys back here with us. I hope all of you had a nice day and you had a good time doing yesterday's assignments and challenges. I saw a lot of people who posted their work. Fantastic work from your end. I think some people showing real talent when it comes to expressing their views and opinions about stuff. Hi Srinath, hi MP, hi Priya Singh. Good to see you guys.
hi,
Good evening. How are you guys doing? I hope all of you are doing fine today.
Srinath. I see you pretty often. I'm wondering where is Sridhar? Is Sridhar also with you? Hi, Chandan. Chandan, I'm still not seeing your work. How are you today? How is your mom? Satyam, hi. How is your mom and dad and your bigger bro? Are you all good? Yeah? Okay, you know what I was thinking? I think most of you all know that our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji, has extended the lockdown up till 3rd of May. I think most of you all are unhappy about it. Some are disappointed, some are frustrated. I understand that all of us are feeling the same kind of things, but then this is for our good to keep ourselves safe and alive. And also, it's a matter of pride that everybody, all the leaders across the world, hi Satyam, are looking up to India, to Narendra Modi, and the citizens of India for having such a huge population. We still have it under control, and that is because of the awesome leadership that we are having at this point of time. I don't know how many of you have watched Bill Gates say that we are looking forward. It's really Ritu ma'am, hi.
Hi Satyam, how are you?
Bill Gates saying that Narendra Modi is one of the greatest leaders that the world has seen. So it's a matter of pride to be an Indian, matter of pride to be from this country. Uh, Keeping in view the fact about you children doing your work and things like that, I have seen quite a few of y'all participating in this program in a big way. I'm super thrilled about it. How did you like yesterday's challenges and the work that you put in yesterday? Today, it'll again be a different kind of thing. Hi, Prajwal. Hi, Prashant. How is your mom and dad? I see a lot of likes coming through. It's so nice to see you all this evening. Uh, we are good. We are good. Yeah, we are good, Satyam. Then, what else you want to tell them, ma'am? Today's work?
Yeah, so just to touch off on what Ma'am was talking about, I know that our Prime Minister Modi ji has extended the lockdown, and I know that brings a whole set of emotions that we otherwise were not very prepared for. I know all of us feel like we're in different ways, we're maybe trapped, that we can't go about living our normal lives. But you know how I look at it? I know it's a financial problem for everybody. I know that everyone's finding a real tough situation. And for those of us who are being able to eat at least one meal a day, I think we should be very grateful because there are so many people around India who are not being able to afford even that much. So I think we all are extremely grateful and we should be extremely honored to still be alive today is the way I'd look at it. And I think if our Prime Minister had not taken this particular step, we all would have been in a real deep soup right now. So I think it's a good decision. Of course, it does cramp into our summer holiday plans, but I hope that the Break Free program is helping you guys to really break free from all of the worries that you guys have. So coming back to today's work, yesterday we had a lot of fun because yesterday was we had the factory visit day where you guys visited the chocolate factory, you visited the factory of Airbus, and you saw how they manufactured airplanes. and all of that cool stuff. Today we are going to delve a little bit into science. So today is going to be a science day. For the senior school, I have a really cool topic for you guys. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. You're going to be studying cloning today.
Wow,
So what
so
is
cool.
yeah? What's cloning and where have they cloned animals and what's the procedure and how do they go about it? I think you guys are going to enjoy it very very much. So we have cloning
No,
for you
I
guys.
know this much. I think I'm talking to the senior group of children who have worked with Bridu ma'am with regard to science. You know how passionate she is about science. And you know, when she was setting this work, she was super excited. Super excited. You know, children, I don't know whether you think, whether you believe this or not, but the fact is that every day, every single day when we are going through the work that is being set for y'all, there is so much that we are learning, that I am learning, which I wasn't even aware of, you know. So like they say that, you know, learning never ends. Matter of fact, I'm experiencing that now. So yeah, I'm saying that, you know, it's a pleasure to see what is being said for you. I hope you enjoy it as much as we are. Yeah, hi Manapriya Sahu, how are you?
I
It's
see
nice to see
Sonakshi has
you.
joined us. Sonakshi and
Sonakshi,
Maheshwar.
yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
So yeah, that's what you guys have in store for today. A little bit of science. Fourth to sixth graders, you're going to be learning all about the human body. So very cool facts about the human body coming your way. More than anything, more than you guys writing the answers and sending it back to me, I think the key takeaway from this entire program is that I really want you all to enjoy the work which you're
Yes.
receiving. I want you to just listen to all of the videos and watch what they're showing you for the sake of learning, not to be submitting assignments. It's not only for submitting assignments. Of course, the kids of my school, you are required to submit the assignments, so that I will see. But for the rest of you who are joining in on the program, whether you're a part of the school or you're not, the work that we set and we send for you is for you guys to actually enjoy it, because I try to find as interesting as a topic as I can. And when we send it in your way, I really hope that you guys are enjoying it as much as we enjoy it in setting the work for you. All right.
So what do we have for the kindergarten section today? And
For
maybe if you can run
kindergarten,
us through that.
for kindergarten today, you guys are going to learn a lot through songs. You're going to be learning, I mean, you're going to be brushing up on days of the week and months of the year through a kind of sing song. So it's going to be kind of interesting and you guys are going to love it. So that's what we have.
Yeah, Satyam, I see that you're seeing this and then you're missing man's class. Same here. I know that. I know it for sure that you guys, the way you're looking at it, it is like, yeah, a ma'am was teaching us and we were learning and it was so much fun. I can see that you all are sharing all that with me and I believe that is right. Good evening, Mati. You finally join us. How is, I want to take this opportunity to wish everyone a happy Tamil New Year. I think Tamilians are having their New Year today, like how we had Ugadi and then we had other festivals, Ram Navami, Easter, Good Friday. Again, even today, the Tamil New Year, we are going to be celebrating in our own homes and being happy about the fact that we are alive, we are with our family, we are being loved, and that is what makes it a beautiful festival. So, wish you all a very happy New Year to all the Tamilians out there. Yeah? Yes, ma'am. So, what are we doing with the first to third graders today?
For first to third graders, we have a particular topic that we have for them. They're going to go and read an article and they're going to watch a video and then they're going to answer questions based off of it.
Okay.
So as usual, right, once our live video ends, we're going to post all of our work up here on the Facebook groups and you guys can access it and you can share it. Please do share the work with everyone that you know. Now, what I mean by that is not just with your friends and your neighbors and your family. There are a lot of schools that aren't setting work for kids at this time because they maybe don't have the resources to. So I do think that when we say that the Break Free program is for anybody and everybody, we really truly do mean it. So if you know anyone who is even maybe just bored and they need a little bit of work to do, you can share this with them definitely. And I think that will pass on a good message.
Yeah, I also want to say that probably from tomorrow we are doing it at 11:30. Are we informing that, ma'am?
Yeah, I think maybe from tomorrow we're going to have the live video sometime in the morning. because I think evenings are when many people are kind of busy. So we thought that maybe around 11:30 in the morning, we will post the timings up on the Facebook group for you guys to take a look at. And then I hope that all of you will come back and join us for our next live session.
Yeah. So 11:30 in the morning tomorrow is what it is going to be. And today's takeaway will be that, like I have always told, children of my school, you know that I promote that more than anything else. I think that is one of the greatest human traits that a human being should have, and that is kindness. Yeah. You don't have to do something very great and very popular and very big to be noticed for your kindness. I think kindness starts from very, very small things. I just wanted to share a small thing that had happened in my life. There was a friend of mine whose grandmother had given a small ring. It was not even a gold ring, it was just a silver ring, but it was from her great grandmother. And she used to wear it every day to school, and I used to be very fascinated because in my house, mom and dad would not allow us to wear rings vagara to school. But she got special permission because it was something that needed to be worn on her finger. One day we used to have something called SUPW. Okay, that was doing all our work in the school, because CBSE schools encourage that. And I think that's a very good thing, to be able to do cleaning or to be able to do sewing and things like that. Hi, Sabya. So this girl, one day when we were in the SUPW class, her ring got misplaced when we were doing something. And then all Aya had come and collected all the trash and she had put it in the big dustbin. When it was time to go home, all of us were leaving and all of us had almost left. The school bell had gone, and then I saw this girl. She was in the dustbin, near the dustbin, taking out all the things from the dust can. By then, everybody was talking about the ring getting lost. So, I thought for a minute, I thought that was something important for her and I should go help her. And then I walked towards her, and then I saw everybody laughing and, looking and making faces at her, going through the dustbin, searching for her ring. And I thought maybe they will make fun of me too and they'll point a finger at me. So I walked away. I walked away. I didn't do the right thing. I didn't do the right thing then, and I know that I didn't do the right thing even now. It is a very small thing. It was a very small thing for everybody else. But for the person who's in trouble, any kind of help, any kind of kindness shown to her would have been really great. So I'm not talking about very big things, children, in your life. I'm talking about small things. When you see your mom is working and doing stuff, you can always pick a small thing and help her. Or your dad is working hard, he comes back. He need not ask you for a glass of water. You can always give him a glass of water. You can help your neighbors, maybe somebody who's not good in studying in your class. Have the heart to go and help in any which way. It does not need to be only doing dramatic and big things that will be showcased. I think it is human nature that we should all be kind towards each other and make this place a much more beautiful place to live in. We are lucky to be alive. We are lucky to be human beings. And these are small things that we could do. Hi, Reena. How are you? How are the children? My love to them. So my takeaway today is to be kind. I'm not going to combine humbleness with kindness. Being humble comes along with kindness. So keep that in mind as you go about your day. There are so many people not even having food to eat at this point of time. So if you see somebody who's really not having to eat, we can eat one chapati lesser and share our other chapati with them. Yeah. That is my takeaway today for you out there. I wish you a very, very nice evening, and let us hope and make this COVID-19 lockdown a better place for all of you. Lots of love coming your way. I shall see you at 11:30 in the morning tomorrow, and we shall post the timing for you exactly so you have the timing that is going to be there. Good evening. Nice to see you. Much love to all of y'all. Take care. Be happy and content and satisfied. Bye bye.
Bye. See you.